Alright, part 2. Pack 1 was a success. Honestly, I was very surprised as well as at work. I just snagged up. I hate taking them. I was like, oh, I struggle on this. Not that strong. Okay. One more time. I was happy when I saw these at work. Perfect opening, perfect packs. Oh, one more? There's an extra. First pack. Oh, I thought this rookie Zion for a second. Okay, you get Julius Randle, Ingram. Oh, Aaron Holiday. Okay. One of Drew Holiday's. We got the homie, Big Baller, Lonzo Ball. Yo, what a coincidence. What a coincidence. And Colin Sexton. Yo, but what a coincidence. We got Lonzo Ball jersey right there. He's in the... Oh, wow, that was kind of cool. Alright, cool. You got Big Baller. Oh, that was something big. I don't know what this is. Bamba, Lonnie Walker, Trevor Ariza. I guess best pack on best card was probably Lonnie Walker. Okay, I mean, makes sense. Okay, try second pack. Third pack. Josh, Okiki. Okay. Oh, not bad. Mikal Bridges. I think this was getting like a 3-year contract this offseason. Good contributor. 30D type player. Mobamba. Oh. God, I mean, I got a favorite one. It's a Lonzo Ball one. And it's crazy too because I had Lonzo Ball jersey and I have a City jersey Lonzo Ball over there too, for sure. I saw that part. Man, these packs are sealed. Like Ben, so I can't open the packs, huh? Okay. Let's see. Going Dragic, release on the Miami Heat. Trae Young, okay. Rookie card Trae Young. I'll take that. That's a W. Shamit. This guy, Omar Speltman, we're no longer in the league. And our rookie card, Garrison Jr. Okay. These definitely slowed down, but it's okay. We got 4. Let's set these up. Okay, I want to purposely fill for a reason. Okay. Bledsoe! Best point guard in the Bucks. I'll show that one day. Mitchell Robertson, Robert Williams, Steven Adams. Oh, this is a boring pack. Boring pack. No. Boring pack. I think my favorite one's Alonzo, of course. That's fine too. I can't wait to give away Lonzo Ball jersey to charity. I'm sorry, Lonzo. I had low expectations when I got your jersey, but we wish you in a day. Big Baller. Shamit, okay. Sexton, okay. Tobias Harris, okay. Vukovic and the Bulls. Nah, Oh, speaking of Bulls, we got DeMar DeRozan solidified his career right now in the city of Chicago. Okay, I like that just because Bulls players. Alright, come on. Holy shit! Whoa! That's a big deal. What? Yo, another rookie Luka. That's really didn't go to my first one. God damn it. Dude, it's so embarrassing. Okay. Yeah, that was a massive one. Let's see, can I finish it off? Suns. What is this? Oh, boring. Boring. Keep going. Kyrie's be normal. Wow. I mean, I'm so glad I got these cards. I was very surprised, but we got Luka. This is Prestige. My kids are enjoying this in the future.